Welcome to Love Marketing AI. I'm going to show you how to create a social post and publish it. First things first, if you haven't already, go to account, click on brand profile. What this does is collects a lot of information about your business. Select them, you'll see them here. Your customers, basically your target market. So when we are creating posts, it will take into consideration how they find your keywords and so forth. And then your brand, so the tone of voice and which sort of voice selection you have for English. So let's go back here. So if you want to create a social post, click on create social. In your first step here, it will ask you what's the purpose of the post. The reason why we have this is because we found that basically these options here will cover most reasons why you want to post. So you're not posting for no reason at all, but there's actually a purpose behind it and some thinking, because it asks you some more qualifying questions. If you already know what you want to post, you just click on I already know what I want. In this case, we're going to go and show a product showcase. And based on what you've selected, you will get different questions. So here, product, service, and name. This is a drop down from products that was in your brand profile, or you can just enter the details there yourself. This is a brand that I've been working with before. And then you can either upload a product image or not, or select one from your brand profile. So I'm going to upload a new one now. And this is the product I want to be shown in the video. Click next. In this step, we select which platforms we want to use. You just go over these 4. You can then choose image or video if you want to create a video post or a social image post. AI generated, which is what we're going to do now, or you can upload a file. So if you've got an image or a video you want to use instead, you can use that. So what it does is it takes the content from your brand profile and what you entered in the previous steps to come up with a plan of what the video is about. You can enter your own details here, click enhance with AI, and then it will fill in who or what's in the video, where is it happening, and what is happening. So we click next. Here we look at the visual style. Always select surreal because it's better for products. And then here you'll see tone of voice is pre-selected as well as the English language. Then you can choose an aspect ratio and then how many seconds. Now if you're choosing 15 seconds, you see it's 2 credits. Okay. You can always just click on there and see what it's about, and then you can adjust accordingly. With audio, you can have no audio, voiceover, or music. So with music, you'll see a selection. You can just have instrumental, and then you can just click on the play button there to hear what it's like. There's a bit of a delay, so just be patient for 50 seconds. So with voiceover, you'll see over here, you can select male or female, and you'll see it's got the Australian flag there. That is because we selected English language Australian, so it will be in an Australian accent. And then you can click on-screen text. So when you click here, generate content, and that will be 2 video credits. It can take 2 to 5 minutes depending on how complex video is. So here we go. All right, here's a social post. We see it says YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So here we've got the preview. Let's play that for you.
3 p.m. slump. Done. I mix evoke ketones into my water for clean energy and laser focus. No crash, just clarity to power through admin and get back to what matters. Sharp mind, sharp business.
So if you're happy with that one, so that says YouTube, you just click approve. You select the next one, TikTok. You'll see the captions there as well. It's the same video for all of them. And then there's Instagram. You'll see it up there. Approve. And then it's the last one, which is the Facebook one. Approve. Next you click continue, and this is where you schedule the posts. Where it says schedule post, you see I connected over there because I connected in the brand profile. Sorry, in connections over there. Otherwise it will ask you to connect and it will lead you through, and it already selects time for you because you need to select about half an hour from the current time. And then with TikTok you need to also select the privacy level, and Facebook. So you've got them already there to schedule. So like it says 30 minutes from now. So you click publish posts. See it says 30 minutes there, so it's just a bit more. Let's do that. So this will get scheduled in the back end. So when it's due for your post, it will push it straight through to all of those platforms. So you can then also see on your calendar, view calendar and view posts as well. If you want to, you can then select over here that if you've created a social post, that you can have a blog made out of it, or an email, or just an image, and it will generate that content for you. So let's go see view calendar, and you'll see it should show up there. All right, what is for today? So if you scroll down, you see it says TikTok scheduled, YouTube scheduled, Instagram scheduled, and Facebook scheduled. So when they do get published, you'll see it says published over there. So that means it's the time's come. And if you say create a plan or something like that, you'll see it says draft, which means you haven't scheduled it per se, but it's there ready to go. That's how you create a social post and publish it. Thank you.